Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. And I just want to thank all of my subscribers slash friends on here that have stayed patient with me and have allowed me to take my breaks and come back. I know sometimes my breaks are a little long, but life happens and it takes me away from you guys. So I do want to thank every single person who has stayed a subscriber of mine or is a new subscriber. 2023 kicked my ass. 2024 has been a year of finding myself, and I always find myself coming back to YouTube. But I just want to thank everyone who has supported my channel and supported my videos, and I never want to stop posting YouTubes, but I want to let you guys know that I have been posting on TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok and also follow me on Instagram. I will leave everything down below. So in the box, you get this little care booklet. Here's the dust bag. It's not the black drawstring bag that Chanel bags usually have, or it's not a classic flap with the little white dust bag. And here it is. Isn't this so cute? This is the Chanel mini vanity case, and it is in this beautiful light nude color, and it has gold hardware. It does have a strap, which is not removable or adjustable, but it is pretty long. And I love the little CCs at the bottom of this bag. I just think the detail is just so beautiful. Here is the inside. You get a mirror, and then you also get 3 slip pockets and also this little lipstick holder. I hope my camera is picking this up, but this is the tag. Yes, so this is the Vanity with chain in beige, and it is from 24K. But I just love this bag. I think it is perfect for dressing up, dressing down. I've seen a lot of girls on Instagram style this bag, and it looks so cute. So I cannot wait to wear this bag. I hope to have some like lookbooks or some fun fashion videos coming. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below. Please let me know what you would like to see from me, share with your friends, and also please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.